we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place, a place where you'll make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you.
Oh, Bianca, you want to say hello to our vlog?
Where we can be alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. Place where you'll make them just be alone. Like it's a vibe under your spotlight.
So guys, so we're having fun? Yes.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know.
I feel like a little princess.
Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. Like it's a vibe under your spotlight.
Okay, tell them what we're doing.
Okay, so guys, my birthday was over a week ago now, a week ago yesterday. So now we're releasing our balloons that we got that are still lasted from a week ago.
That are still lasted.
They've lasted this long, so we're gonna let them go. Do we make
Emily,
a
one
wish?
at a time. Like, only do one of yours.
Do you make wishes on them? Is that what you do?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah! Oh my god, that went up so high.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, okay, wait.
Oh my god, look how big it looks still. Why does that look ginormous?
Okay.
Here's the
Look at
equivalent from the
that.
ground.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, Emily's pink is going up.
Oh my god, look guys, it looks
Do you see
so
all three
big.
of them? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Paulina, you record this.
Yeah, and I'll record you. Look at how, where's the peach one now? Oh, it's so,
Look at it. Oh my gosh, they look like. Oh, that's crazy.
that little one right there is the peach one.
Oh, it's just gonna come back down. Oh, look at the white one.
Helicopter.
Oh my god, there's an airplane right up there.
Ready, guys?
Oh, look at it. It's so pretty. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Guys, this is so fun.
Our neighbors are taking pictures of it.
Imagine the
helicopter
okay.
pops all of them.
Dot,
Okay,
dot,
1,
dot,
2, 3,
dot,
4, 5, 6.
dot.
Oh, look at
Look at
The
that
furthest
far
one is right. Where is it?
There.
Where's my finger? Right here.
Look how far the orange one went.
the orange
Helicopter
one
star.
like took off.
Watch a
That was
helicopter
crazy.
hunt us down and get
It's
them.
not really visible
Like
anymore.
who was releasing balloons from the
This
sky?
is beautiful.
What a
Wow.
moment. Helena, is there
Precious
any
moment. This was such a beautiful day celebrating Queen Victoria's birthday.
Footwork shot.
No! No! Grand finale. It doesn't look dirty at all. What the frig?
Hey guys!
Oh, what? You started?
Do you want to peek your head through the middle?
classic?
Do you want to just stay there? Or
Rose,
no?
just sit in the middle.
No.
Why?
Oh.
I have pimples.
So we will give you a update.
Talk and drive.
It is Monday of the long weekend. Miss Queen.
Miss Vicky's day. Happy birthday, Vicky.
Vicky, how old would she be?
250. No, I have no idea.
Who is she? We were trying to figure that out. Is she
Is she Queen Elizabeth's mama?
mama, sister,
Brother-in-law?
auntie?
Auntie.
So yeah. Anyways, we're going to get.
I knew I was gonna hit the curb!
I did not see that coming.
Guys, the whole time I was turning, I was like, I feel like I'm really close to the curb.
Oh my god, let me
I'm not ready for my G test.
It's okay.
Oh, scare the shit out of me.
That's so sweet. Fuck. You'll be fine.
I honestly, I knew. Guys, I hit the curb today in Timmy's. I could feel myself getting too close. And I was trying to give like the other people room because like there was like a lineup, a lane, and like people were having trouble getting through. And I could feel myself hitting the curb, and I fucking popped it huge.
Oh my god, what's that? That guy just took a bush.
Now the vlog's gonna think I'm a terrible driver.
No, she's a
I'm
fucking
not. I promise.
great driver. She drives all down.
Thank you.
Swear on your channel?
Thank you, Paulina.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You
We're
swear on your
adults.
channel? You don't care?
No.
Do you, Rose?
I don't anymore. I do have younger viewers.
Oh.
Oh.
Should we?
Our
not?
viewers are probably older. At least.
I don't
Well,
mean to offend anyone with my
No.
language.
No. So.
Don't censor us, YouTube.
So we didn't vlog much at the baby shower. It was yesterday. We vlogged a lot of footage of it, like of the details, but we didn't actually get to vlog much of ourselves. We were just kind of in the moment.
Yeah.
And it wasn't that long. Like it was like a decent amount of hours, but we just were like more in the moment, talking to all of our
Do you
friends.
hear what's on? This is our 2014 jam.
Oh, we used to drive around this every night. Boy, let's keep doing this.
Turn down for what?
That's so nice. One time we parked at the side of the road. So we could
Thought we could
This
listen
is
to
on the
this.
radio.
Yeah.
We
We really connect with this song.
do. And 2014.
How long is this clip? Oh wow.
Oh, 2 minutes.
We're just
You know
chit-chatting
what? We
away.
don't even cut out anything.
No.
Raw footage.
We're unedited.
Yeah. Well, what's the? Yeah, that's what their YouTube thing is about, right?
Yeah.
Like unedited.
Uncut.
Or uncut, yeah. So we just had a nice time at the shower. Got to see a lot of our friends and chatted up. We have a blog post coming. Well, the blog post will be up before this video will be.
Yeah.
And now we're going to see fireworks. Well, if we can find any.
Yeah. We're going to the lake,
Yep.
and hopefully they're gonna have some fireworks there.
Yeah. We will keep you updated. Okay, Melissa, awesome.
Tell them what we're doing first.
Okay, so we're at the lake.
Set her in the middle.
Okay, Melissa. Sorry. Okay, so this is Melissa. You already know her.
Do they?
Yeah,
I feel
for my birthday.
self-conscious being the only one with my sunnies on.
That's
Take
okay.
them off, it's dark.
And so we want to watch fireworks today for the long weekend, and we're at the lake. Thought that they would have some. It's like 8:30 now. Normally when they start, still no fireworks or no people to be.
Family playing in the sand, and
Yeah.
we're just watching.
And we're just
them.
watching
We're
them.
watching them right,
Have
like,
a
literally
picnic.
right
I
in
think
front
maybe
of
they
us.
have fireworks with them. I don't know.
So we're gonna get Melissa to ask the people beside us who are also just sitting in their car
If
watching
they're
the
here for
family have a
fireworks,
picnic.
or if they know
If they're,
fireworks.
yeah.
If they know that there's gonna be fireworks.
Go.
Excuse me. Are you guys here for fireworks? Like, do you know if they're doing fireworks? You don't think they are? Okay, thank you.
not doing it. It's okay. You, Melissa, can roll up your window. Oh, so.
All right.
We'll find places.
I think we should drive around some courts, maybe to find some.
We're just gonna go to random people's houses.
Yeah,
We'll
street
say
party.
we're
We're like,
we're new to the
they're like,
area.
what house do you live at? I'll be like,
Down
the one that was for sale. We bought it. Yeah.
So, okay, guys,
Okay.
plan B.
Let's see where
Okay,
life takes
We'll
us.
keep you updated.
Terrible,
Maybe Emily should turn her flashlight on.
So, oh yeah, good. So update.
Also,
we
Like
found.
set it in like that little where the radio is. No.
Oh, okay, good.
No, I was thinking where the
No,
time
let's
is.
go look at. So we found some fireworks. We drove around, listening to the sound, and we found this random street that is doing it from their backyard.
But their backyard, so we can like.
So we're
barely
from their front
see
yard,
them.
and we're gonna hope they do some tall enough for
Wait,
us
is
to
their
Yeah.
front yard?
Guys, there's
on
like
the
another
street?
person's car on, and they probably think, what are these girls doing with a flashlight on, their lights on in the car? Like, if people look outside their windows, they're gonna think, what are these weirdos doing?
We hope that we can get some footage for you guys.
Some fireworks.
Yeah. Wish us luck.
Oh my gosh, they're everywhere.
Oh, now we found two sets.
No.
Of...
Oh,
Oh, guys, they're so big right there.
Yeah.
We found two sets of fireworks now because the other place, but they stopped and they weren't big enough.
It's so
Yay!
Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy.
Oh my god, they're beautiful!
Cute!
Oh my gosh, yes!
This is honestly the biggest fail turn success I think I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, I hope they hear our enthusiasm.
Is there a parking lot, guys?
No, we're
Let's
just
like
on the
go
side
on
of
the
the
field
street.
with them.
Should we?
There's like no one else watching them except for us. Like
I'm
they're
scared, like I don't know.
Just, they're just doing this for their own enjoyment.
These are really good.
I like it.
I'm so overwhelmed. with
This makes me so happy.
Oh, yay! They have the best view because they took that in between the trees.
Oh, should we?
And I took Oh my god. Oh, like someone just paid, like bought money. Look at everyone's watching.
That's so awesome.
We're literally at the side of the street.
I think that was the finale.
Aw.
Oh, that was so good.
Emily, take it away.
Oh. I wondered why it was rolling, and then I was like, is no one gonna talk? So, just to give you a little update, we were driving around for like, what, an hour?
Yeah.
Oh, did they see Melissa in this? Yeah,
Yes,
they did.
yes.
Okay. They saw, okay, wait, we vlogged this all. So we were driving around, we found some fireworks, they were incredible, and then we just came home, and we're about to part ways.
Yep. Sad part of the day. Or night.
The most emotional part, and yeah, I don't know.
We're
What do
gonna
you have to add?
regroup tomorrow.
We're gonna regroup.
Is this the end of the video?
Classic Tuesday.
You know, Tuesday. You know what that means? Cheap movie
Is this
night.
the end of this video?
Yeah, this is the end of our
It's the end of the vlog. Stay
Vlog.
tuned for the next.
like and subscribe. Check out the blog
DresstotheNineties.com
/
Why is your camera angle?
sorry.
/ fashion.
Wait, what is it?
No, that's it. Just www.
So why'd you say that?
Just as a joke.
Oh.
I don't know, for fun.
Yeah, because you can.
It would bring you to your
yeah.
fashion area?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever done that?
Sure have.
Ooh.
Just for fun.
We'll see what comes on.
So yeah.
So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.
And void.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
At the count of 3, let's all just say thank you so much for watching. We hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. Bye. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you all for watching.
Wait, can you say what we need to say again?
Yeah, I missed it.
Thank you all so much for watching.
Thank you all so much for
We
watching.
hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more. Bye.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Thank
Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed.
Make
Make
sure
sure
to
to
subscribe.
subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.